This is JLN Kepong, and that is, I just got the name, that is Masjid Armania, something to that effect. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is the divider, the road divider for a new MRT construction, one of the city train constructions going on here. And that's of course the great Selangor bus, red, you see Selangor there, and that is Aeon Kepong, and I am here to look, I'm here to see that shop. It's called Eden Pet Shop or Eden something. I'll go film it from there. There's a bunch of folks sitting down here. I'm going to go say hello to them. Hello.
Hello. Yes, hello.
My name is JC. YouTube Bole. YouTube Bole. Hi. So what's your name?
Arman.
Arman. What are you doing?
We just buy something for fishing.
Oh, all you guys are fishermen?
Yeah.
You're too young to smoke, my friend. Don't let your mother see you smoking on YouTube. Your mother is watching. What's your name? Soledin. Okay, and Abang?
My name is Hassan.
Hassan.
Yeah.
I am here to film that pet shop down there. So I saw you all goyang kaki, so I'm just saying hello.
Yeah.
This is YouTube. Say mahalo YouTube.
Hello YouTube.
Mahalo YouTube.
Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube.
Okay, now say anything you want to your family, because the whole world is watching you. In 24 hours, this will be online. So say something to your girlfriend, your datin, your mother, your father. Malay? Okay.
Okay, I only wish for my newborn son to be polite and to be young, brave also.
That is so beautiful. What's his name?
Adib.
Adib. He will watch this in 20 years and he'll remember the father. What's your wife's name?
Shakira. Nurul Shakira.
Say hello to her.
Okay, hello Nurul Shakira. If you're viewing this for another 10 or 20 years, I just want to say that I still love you.
Wow, beautiful. You're making it hard for me, okay? Good. And you? Do you have your family here, my friend? My little brother? Say hello to somebody, your father, your mother, your girlfriend, your
My family. I wish you all very.
Just tell your father and your mother you love them.
Definitely, I love you all.
Very good, very good. Your turn.
Okay. To all of my family and then all my friends who become riders. I'm also the rider. And then hope you all success. And then see you on this 31st. Thank you.
Who is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? You know? Okay, now say bye-bye to YouTube and the world.
Okay,
there's a pet shop down there. Have you been inside? Birds.
Never.
You? I'm gonna go find out what it is about. Mahalo.
Okay, hello. Bye.
Thank you for talking to YouTube, yeah? Thank you. So, again, that is Masjid Armania. I'm making a turn again because I am not stopped talking to this gentleman here. That is Masjid Armania down there. These are the kind folks I spoke to, and again, you see, I'm going 180. That is Aeon Jusco Kepong, and now I'm walking to this shop here. I'm walking my way, and this is where I'm going to go in and find out what all their pet shop business is about. Menjual ikan dan barangan for donor. There's a sign of there's a fish outline there. Aquarium, City Leisure, Eden Aquarium and City Leisure. And there's some birds down here. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this bird is. If anybody in this bird is just going kamikaze down here, I don't. This is a minor bird. I've seen this, but that I don't know. But they all look very unfriendly. See? So if anybody knows what this bird is, let me know. This bird is going crazy. And there's another local bird. I don't know if it's legal to sell local birds. This is very cool. Look at the sewer. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. And there's birds down here. I don't know what they are. They're all the same birds. Hello. Hi. YouTube. Okay. What's your name?
Alim.
Alim. Malay.
Alim.
Malayu.
Cina.
Cina. Alima.
Alim.
Oh, Alim. Is this your shop? Kedai. Boss?
Ethan.
Boss?
Boss you Ale.
You know boss. Manager.
Manager.
Okay, what is that bird? Can you show me?
You Thailand.
Boleh show me? What is this bird? Nama.
Thailand.
Bird.
Bird Thailand.
Nama.
Nama Merbo.
Mervo. It's from Thailand.
Thailand.
And what is the name of that bird? Down there.
This one you Maina.
This one is minor? I'm coming back to the
This
bird.
one you Maina.
Minor. And this
Maina.
one?
This one you
From where? Malaysia? Dari mana?
Maina. This one you Tiong Mas.
Tiong Mas.
Tiong Mas.
Okay, that is Tiong Mas. I don't know what that means. He's got a lot of
Maina.
he's got a lot of minors and he's got a lot of Puyu. Hang on, there's people down here. Wait here, Alim. Hello, how are you? JC, YouTube, boleh?
Hi.
What's your name?
Azrael.
Azrael.
Yeah.
Say hello to your family, Azrael.
Hi.
Say mahalo, YouTube.
Mahalo.
Good. Now, your family is here
Yeah, in Malaysia.
in Malaysia?
Yeah.
Father, mother?
Yeah, same.
This is your datin? That's your datin. All right, Dato. Say your father and mother hello. Melayu, okay.
Melayu. Hai Bu, ni Alung kat Kepong tengok kedai-kedai ikan ni. Abang macam mana sihat?
Okay. And Datin, what's your name?
Shiha.
Who?
Shiha?
Siha? You know. And that's your Dato, yes?
Yeah.
Good, very good. When are you guys getting married?
Yeah, just married last year.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Any children?
Not yet.
What are you waiting for?
Enjoy.
Oh, sorry.
Enjoy holiday.
Sorry, holiday. And where's your family from?
I'm from Pahang, Malaysia.
You want to say hello to your mother?
Hi, Mom.
Baru lepas jumpa.
Friend, adik, abang.
Hi, adik. Hi, Kanga, Kala.
Very good. You speak English.
Yeah.
I need your help. Can you help me?
Okay.
Who speaks English? Follow me. Dua-dua ikut. Okay. Talk to this guy for me. Ask him, what is this bird here? Ini Puyu. Hang on. This is Puyu. It looks like quails to me. Puyu. Where is this? Quail?
Yeah.
Where is this from? Ask him where it is from.
Ini Kelantan.
Kelantan.
Can you sell local birds?
Ini
Kelantan.
In a,
Kena.
this is quails. They have how much is this bird?
Naringgit ekor.
One. Is this
Yeah.
to eat or is this a pet?
It's eat Kena.
This is eat. This is 6 Malaysian ringgit, which is like $1.50 in America. $2 maybe with the currency exchange now.
Yeah.
And this is, I don't know whether they're eating it or they're breeding it, but these are quails from a state called Kelantan. I'll
Yeah.
show you what they look like here. And these are pigeons, yeah? These are pigeons?
This one you
When you pray,
Yes. And then you release them.
Yeah.
So I have a question. Why do you catch them just to release them? Why don't you leave them alone?
because it is life.
Yes, but why you catch them? Ask him.
Kenapa dia tangkap?
Dia dan tangkap, dia lah potong. Kita pilih rata, orang sembahyang, kita nasi talabai, nasi lepas.
Oh.
What did he say?
Habis dia cakap translate lah.
Abang, translate that. I just want to know, why are they catching it just to sell it, to release it?
Kita pilih datang, orang mau buat sembahyang, kasih lepas.
Dia macam buang
soy.
buang soy.
Soy?
Yeah.
Soya beans?
No, it's not soya bean.
Ya, robot.
Not good from
Robot sayur.
just
Sins.
raw. Yeah.
Sins. Oh.
Feng shui.
Feng shui.
You know feng
Feng.
shui? Chinese? No.
Sebab ni miaka kalau macam lepas macam mana?
This must be an Asian thing. You catch a wild bird, you cage them up like this, you put them in cages,
Yeah.
and then you sell them
Yep.
to release your sins.
Yep.
Okay, YouTube, I don't know what this is all about, but that's what this man is saying. How much for that pigeons?
RM12.
12 ringgit.
One.
Yeah.
12 ringgit, just to let them go.
Yeah.
Good business. Rich man.
Yeah, good business.
Business bagus.
Bagus.
This one? Apa?
This one sama.
Same.
What is the name of these birds?
Ini pipi.
Pipit.
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 I don't know what they are. They look like,
Pipit.
some have yellow heads, probably male and female. I don't know. I'll find out. I'll Google them. Oh, this is a budgie. How much?
Ini tiga.
3 ringgit 50.
This is $3.50, $3.50 each bird, and they release them.
Yeah.
This is also bought to be released. These are budgies, green budgies. How much are they? 80 ringgit.
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh
God!
my God.
I can buy this for $1, $2 in America.
Kita ambil dulu.
$80 for one
Yeah.
budgie.
for one. Kaya.
Millionaire. I'm in the wrong business. I want your damn job. My God, cruel but very good business. Let me go around and check out what else he has. He has Merble.
Okey lah.
What are those birds? He doesn't. These are they local? Those are Merbos again. I'll show you a better picture online. So he's saying it's Siamese.
Dengan suara.
Okay, I'll show you a better view of this bird. This is what the bird
Dia mau
looks
trading
like.
tiang.
This is from Thailand, yes?
Yeah, from Thailand.
But Malaysia got.
Yeah, good.
So here's a question for him. How does he know these are not local? How does he know?
Macam mana nak tahu?
Kita mau tahu suara macam bunyi.
Oh, from the sound.
No Malaysia.
Ni Malaysia suara.
Good.
Local breed.
So they sound different.
Yeah.
The Malaysians and the Thais sound different.
Yeah.
So the Thai Merbo speaks Thai.
Yeah.
And the Malaysian Merbo speaks Malay.
Yeah.
Okay, the Thai how?
Wow.
You're a crazy man.
20,000.
And the Malaysian?
20,000 ringgit ah.
One bird.
Ah.
How much?
20,000.
Itu centenya lah.
How much for this bird?
Ini telah rumah main 200, 300, 500 dah lah. Lagi cantik, jauhan lagi mahal.
Yang ni berapa?
Ini
For
300.
champion bird, 1,000, 2,000 for champion bird.
And
10,000 lah.
light. I need light.
This bird,
300.
300 something.
300
Yeah.
for one.
Yeah.
Champion bird, 2,000. 2,000 or 3,000.
For one bird.
Champion
Yeah.
bird, yeah.
Cool.
50 lah, macam-macam.
I'll go and see his trophies. Apparently he's got trophies. What are all these? These are all
Ini kira baby 80 siam.
sire.
Baby.
Baby, this small.
Oh, and where are the Malaysian birds?
Yang mana yang Malaysia?
Dia Thailand.
Where's the Malaysian one? Mana Malaysia?
Yang Malaysia.
Malaysia suara.
Down there.
Apparently these are Thai. I got to check their passports because I don't know they're Thai. And apparently these are Malaysian. Let me see if there's a difference. I really can't tell the difference. Really, I can't tell the difference. See, this speaks Malay, carries a Malaysian ID card. This crazy little fella is from Thai, Sawadee, doesn't speak any Malay, doesn't speak any Thai, and these are pigeons. What in God's name is this?
Ayam serama.
Ini what?
Ayam serama.
Ayam
Serama.
Kentucky Fried Chicken? No
Ayam
Kentucky.
serama.
Ayam selama.
Ya.
Selama.
Serama.
Ayam selama.
What is that in English?
Well, we also don't know what it is.
Ayam serama. So I got to Google this bloody thing. They look like miniature birds. They're looking like little people in the bird in the fowl family. Little people, little birds. There's two. They don't look too healthy. The conditions are not too healthy. And I know. I don't want to be here either. This is cruel, my friend. So you got to get out of here. How much is this one?
Uncle, yang berapa?
Ini 250.
250 ringgit.
You are an expensive KFC. 250 ringgit.
Nah, ayam serama.
This dude just brought me his I got to show this in the light.
Serama.
Ayam Surama. AK Jantan Johar. I guess that's the
Oh,
name.
dia menang kakak?
Dulu pihak papa.
Oh.
I can't focus in because
Dia
of
bertanding untuk apa?
Penting ya.
I don't know why I can't focus in. Maybe the lighting. But let me try something else. This is what the trophy looks like. And is this for this bird?
No, for this chicken.
For this one?
Ayam serama.
Congratulations, mahalo, dude. You got a prize there. Very good. And this is 250 ringgit.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Okay, now he is filled with this Malaysian and Thai birds. And here's a budgie, a yellow budgie. And this is 80 ringgit.
Angkat burung ni berapa kak?
Ini tadi sama. Dua ekor 40.
40 ringgit.
This is 40. Oh, the pair was 80. This is single guy, so it's 40. And then these are minors, yeah? They look different. This one looks different. What is this?
This one you mana?
You say minor to everything, my friend.
Mana you
They look different.
3 color.
Oh, there's 3 types.
Mana juga.
Where is this from?
Dari mana?
Ini kira Thailand.
Thailand also.
A lot of Thai prisoners in this place. And this one?
This one Malaysia.
What is it? What is the name?
Kai pun.
Ko.
Thai food.
Sounds like a Chinese dish.
Ini panggil.
This fellow looks really, really ill. Or sad.
Red.
Oh, he brought me some names.
Bull.
Red Whiskered Bulbul.
Yeah, the name.
See, that's the red whiskered bulbul. I don't know why. Maybe it's the lighting or it's the glare of the sun or something. I can't seem to focus in. Maybe it will show better. I'm trying to change lights here. And I don't know what setting I have in. Let me film out, film in. Okay, anyways, what it says here is red whiskered bulbul. He doesn't have this. He doesn't have magpies. He doesn't have sharmas. He doesn't have the pecking robin. He doesn't have none of those except for the red whiskered bulbul. This is, I guess, it's the food or seeds or something. So I'll leave it there. And he's filled with the same birds. A lot of them are all prisoners of war or treaty from Thailand. And okay, now he also carries fish. And this is, I know what that is. That's an Oscar. How much is that? Can somebody ask him?
Angkat berapa
Oscar
ni
apa? Ini Oscar 30.
30 ringgits for this Oscar, relatively cheap. And this cichlid, what is
Ini
it?
lohan.
Who?
400.
400.
Hello, my friend. Come here. Come here. They're starving, so they're attracted to his hand. They want food. I have to figure out what this.
Bangkok.
Who?
called flower pot.
It's called flower horn, another Chinese dish. Ini?
Ini lapel.
Who?
Lapel.
Lapio. And how much?
Sekok.
40 cents. And this one?
Ini tofu ya, tofu.
They look like silver cards. And this, how much? 20 ringgits. And this is?
Oscar tu 35.
This is 35. Why that is 30, this is 35? Or two. 35.
35.
For two.
Two.
Okay.
One pair.
One pair here is 35 here. And I have no idea what this baby is. They're hungry, clearly.
Yeah.
What is this called?
Rohan.
Rohan.
Rohan. So this
35.
and this baby here is the grandfather to this fella here. That's what I think. What is this?
400.
How much is this one? The big one costs 400. What is
35.
35? What is this?
35.
What's the name of the fish?
Sama.
Same name.
There is a fish in there, believe it or not. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Okay.
It's hiding in the corner right there. See? Right there. And this one is a paku. It's a
Sabah Kaloi.
who?
From
Sabah Kaloi.
Sabah Kaloi.
Sabah Kaloi. It looks like a paku to me, but apparently it's from Sabah Kaloi.
Yeah.
And
Baby Sabah.
this one?
Baby Sabah Kaloi.
Oh, so that is a baby?
Yeah,
That is
it's mother.
a juvenile of some sort. This one?
Ini Sabah Putih.
Sabah Kaloi Putih.
So this is
This one from Taiwan.
Ini
This Sabah Malaysia.
it's from Sabah,
Yeah.
and these are the
Same.
brown fellas, and this one
From
Taiwan.
Taiwan.
they're the Taiwan. So they're the Chinese Sabah cat, whatever he just said, and these are the Malaysian version of it. See the color difference? Racist. And he's got an operation in the back here. I'm very worried to go behind, because once you go back there, you don't come out. And these are all his trophies. Ini semua apa? He's got tons of trophies, so the standards must be very low of how you house the birds, because look at it, all
Semua
kinds
hari
of
Minggu
trophies.
hobi-hobi pergi tanding.
Sorry?
Ini tanding hari Minggu, hari Senang bulan-bulan pergi tanding.
Somebody translate what the hell he's saying to me, please.
Ini tandingan.
What did he say?
Competition.
Competition.
Yeah.
When?
Weekend.
Every weekend.
Competition for the
Ini
sound.
aku tu buat lokal.
Competition sound.
Tengok
The
tempat
singing.
anak Melaka.
Bird voice competition.
yeah. Same
Voice.
same
Voice.
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 All voice.
All for the singing
Yeah.
qualities of each bird. He's got maybe about 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's got about 4 sometimes. He's got about 40, 50. I have no idea what this bloody thing says, but it's written backwards, so this man is not too swift, and
Same voice.
he's got 40, 50 different trophies here. Apparently his birds do well, and there's more birds here. That's this one is what again?
Same.
Red whiskered
Sama itu
bulbul. These are the red whiskered bulbul. So, my friend,
tadi itu
how much are the cages? The cage. How much is the cage?
Angka tu berapa?
sangka tengok ini macam kayak antik punya 200 lebih.
This one antique one is 200
Ini
plus.
25 tahun.
Already 23.
Why would I want something that's 25 years old and I'm paying more?
Dia kata kalau dia nak, dia bayar lebih boleh.
This is apparently an antique cage and it's under 250.
Ini lah kita tu 250.
Oh, it's
Okay.
250 ringgit.
Malaysia.
30 tahun lebih.
30 years over.
That's 30 years old. How much?
800.
That's $800 cage. Prisoners of war.
Ini surat ini 20 tahun lebih.
How much? Bring it down, my friend. Bring it down. This is his quite shabby operation. I feel sorry for the birds.
Tengok sini.
How much?
250.
This is $250 prison for birds. And because of the
Tengok
pattern,
sini mahal.
because of the design, the intricate design of this. I don't know what the folks, you viewers in America or even in Asia, the rest of you viewers are going to say about this video.
Ini 200.
I am not feeling too happy. This is 200.
Ini 200 saja.
The cages are beautifully handcrafted, I guess. Very, very nice.
Tengok sini.
But he's showing to the wood and the design in the wood bottom here. And he's saying because of the age of the cage, it becomes more expensive. Show me a cheap cage.
Paling murah, yang murah.
Paling murah. Ini 90.
This is a $90 prison for birds. Watch. It looks plastic and it's made in, I'm kidding, I was going to say IKEA or Eon Kapong, I don't know. But this is bloody cheap. This is $45, Rubbermaid. There you go. This is real plastic, made in original China. It's busy.
From it's not wool, but it's
Busy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's made of steel. Oh, it's wired cage. How much?
Kita buka 45, 40 bulan.
40, 45.
So if I say $25,
45.
if I say 25, boleh?
25
Kalau
no.
dia kata 25 boleh.
Tak
Hey,
payah.
Malaysia boleh, you know.
4.
Malaysia boleh, no?
Tak kaya dia kata.
Salah untung.
You got big house.
Ah,
Angka ada rumah besar ke?
rumah besar tak lah, murah kecil.
Istana bird cage. This is how much?
Ini 30.
30 ni.
This is a 30 ringgit wired.
Kita beli ni
Okay.
kira 3 tangannya lah. Satu tangan yang lagi murah.
Oh.
Jadi 3 tangan.
What the hell did he just say?
Beli dari satu tangan.
Sofa ni ada import, lebih murah sikit. Lagi satu import. Kita 3 tangan lah.
Tangan angka tangan yang ketiga lah.
3 ha. So cakap tu nombor 4 lah.
Oh.
Okay, translate please.
If I'm buy for cheap, better go to the
Manufacturer.
yeah.
So manufacturer sells to a dealer, the dealer sells to him. So everybody's making money
Yeah.
and the birds are caged. I don't like caged birds, especially if it's native birds. Native birds should
it's
not be
free.
caged. And God, there's some shit crawling down here. I got to figure this one out.
Hamster.
These are hamsters or rats?
Apa ni dia yang terbang tu?
Rats with no tail.
Look like
Ini hamster lah, hamster.
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 Tengok macam tangan dia.
Ini hamster besarnya, tapi kecil lah.
There's a dead one in there.
Tidur, sleep.
Sleep.
Tidur. Cakap, tidur.
Like
My
Yang
friend,
malam tadi.
that is dead. Tell him to take it out before I put this on video. That hamster is dead. I don't know what you want to say.
dia
This,
kata mati ke?
Ah,
Dia kata mati.
dalam mati.
ask him to go
no.
check.
No.
Tidur.
On the bottom, my friend.
Ini putih.
Go look.
Pantau.
Pengkau.
Go look.
No.
There's one on the bottom.
Ya, tidur.
Sleep.
Dalam
Still live. You see? Still live. You see?
No mati.
No mati.
Itu mati uncle.
Dalam mati. Oh iya.
Okay. Oh, maybe he's sleeping. Maybe he's right. I don't know. Maybe he's just unconscious. That one down there.
Oh ni.
He's right. Its eyes are infected, closed shut. So this guy is on his way to freedom. One hamster is on its way to freedom. The rest are going to croak in this cage. Oh God, help me. Oh God, help me. These are
Ini
crickets.
cengkelek.
Crickets.
Cengkelek.
These are crickets. How much?
30 satu ringgit.
30 crickets for 1 ringgit. And what is this baby? That's a fish down there. I don't know. Ini apa?
Toman bunga.
Apa?
Taman bunga.
Taman bunga.
Taman bunga.
Tombong bunga. I don't know what they are.
Itu sama.
There's mealworms. There's more fish in the bottom that I did not see.
This is more.
See? Look at that.
Kenapa tak pergi dekat
Okay, my friends, these are the birds and the fowls and the quails, and with
memang ramai orang.
with my friends here, they're telling me about something else, and this is Alim. Alim. Thank you so much. Somebody translate, please. Hello. Somebody help us. Can you translate? Tell them I said thank you very much.
Thank you.
For mahalo YouTube.
Halo YouTube, Uncle cakap. Lepas tu terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Okay, say hello to your family.
Halo, terima kasih.
To your family.
Keluarga.
Chinese okay.
Cakap je bahasa Cina. Uncle cakap hello dekat family Uncle.
Halo.
Lepas tu promote dekat Uncle.
Thank you.
Wife?
Your wife.
Children?
You punya isteri.
Salah satu. Mama, papa lah.
Mama, papa.
Say ya.
Papa, mama.
Hello.
Halo. Mama, papa lah.
Now invite Malaysia to come to your pet shop.
Suruh orang datang ke kedai Uncle.
Datang kita.
Datang ke kedai ni.
Datang kita aja. Ngomong Mexico.
Chinese okay.
多謝你，多謝啦，多謝你嚟呢度歡迎呢度我嘅鋪頭 ，thank you。
Thank you. It's not your fault. You're just a worker. You don't own this place. It is a Malaysia. It's an Asian culture. It's not Malaysia. It's everywhere in Asia. I don't know what you're saying. You don't know what I'm saying, but it's okay. So, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Why don't say hello and I thank you for helping me out in this crazy dig.
Welcome.
Would you buy something here?
No, I just look the fish. Because my husband likes fish.
Your husband likes fish.
Yeah.
Husband, if you have money, if you win the lotto or if you win money, buy all the fish here and let it go. Janji?
I'm not sure.
If you become very rich,
If very rich.
you come here, buy everything and let it go. Janji?
Yeah,
You're
I'm
telling
promise,
YouTube,
I promise.
You promise with your fingers crossed. Kachao, you are. Kachao. Now, come together so you can say goodbye together.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
for
thank
visiting.
you.
Your name again?
Siha.
Seha. Mahalo YouTube.
Hello YouTube.
Your name?
Azrael.
Azrael. Mahalo YouTube.
Mahalo, YouTube.
Double. He gave me a double shaka. Wow, that is a double shaka. Look it up on the internet. What a double shaka means. SH. This is called a shaka. Mahalo is thank you. Hello.
Mahalo.
So double. This is a shaka. So say. Oh, she's double shakaing me too. Okay. Thank you very much, folks.
Okay, welcome.
And. Within the next 24 hours or so, you'll be online, and tell your friends to watch.
Okay.
Tell your family to watch.
Okay.
Ask them to like. Sorry?
And subscribe.
Sorry? And subscribe. And hit the red button on the bottom and subscribe. Comment.
Don't
If
forget, click the button like.
Thank you very much. And if you don't like the video, you say like.
And share.
And share. You see they're advertising for me. So thank you from the from Kepong and from the Eden Pet Shop. This is the Eden establishment. Look at it. From the Eden Pet Shop with all the caged birds, and from the Quail Corner. I feel really, really sorry for these birds, and I feel really, really sorry for the fish that are going on here. So again, let me get out. I'm just rambling on. Alim,
Alif.
Toche, mahalo you YouTube.
Hello YouTube.
Very good. That is Lim, the supervisor or the manager or the rep of Eden's Pet Shop, Eden's Aquarium on JLN Keppel. JC, sorry folks for letting you watch this. I apologize to all the birds. I wish them all well. If I had money, I'll come and buy all of them and I will release them. And from Eden, JC, mahalo, out.